Today, I'm going to show you how to save PDFs to Google Drive from Chrome, step by step, in the fastest and simplest way possible. This is a super useful method if you've opened a PDF in your browser and want to keep a copy in Google Drive for easy access, sharing, or backup. Whether it's a school document, work file, receipt, or form, this process helps you move it from Chrome into Drive in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, find the PDF file you want to save. In many cases, the PDF will already open in your browser automatically, or you may need to open it from a download link or file on your computer. When the PDF is showing in Chrome, look for the download icon. This is usually a down arrow near the top of the PDF viewer, and depending on your browser layout, it may appear in the top left or top right area. Click that download icon to save the PDF to your computer. Your browser may ask where you want to save the file, or it may place it automatically in your Downloads folder. Make sure you remember the location, because you'll need to find the file again in the next step. Now open a new tab and go to Google Drive. If you're not signed in, log in with the Google account where you want the PDF stored. Once Google Drive loads, look for the +New button on the left side of the screen. Click that button to open the Upload menu. From the options that appear, select File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload a file from your computer. A file browser window will open, and now you need to locate the PDF you just saved. Go to the folder where your browser downloaded the file, such as Downloads or Desktop, depending on your settings. Click the PDF file to select it, then click Open to begin the upload. After that, Google Drive will start uploading the PDF automatically. You'll usually see the upload progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. Just wait a moment until the upload is complete. Once it finishes, your PDF will now be stored in Google Drive and available anytime from any device where you sign in. You can rename it, move it into a folder, share it with someone else, or organize it however you want. And that's it. You've successfully saved a PDF from Chrome to Google Drive. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.